Hello everyone, welcome to IM Express. I hope your preparation is going well. So this is the question for today. It's a series question. We need to find out the sum of the series. So pause the video, try it for 3 minutes and then come back for solution, right? So starting with the solution, what is given to us? It's 3 divided by 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 divided by 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial and so on till 100 factorial divided by 98 factorial plus 99 factorial plus 100 factorial. This is our series. So this is our series, and what is nth term in the series? Nth term is the term where if I put n equal to 1, we get the first term, n equal to 2, we get the second term and so on. So nth term is start from denominator, it will be easier to interpret. 1 factorial means nth term would have n factorial. 2 factorial nth term mein hoga n plus 1 factorial, and 3 factorial is what? N plus 2 factorial. This is the denominator of nth term, and numerator is third term of denominator, which is n plus 2. This is the nth term, and it is equivalent to n plus 2 in the denominator. If I take common n factorial, if I take common n factorial, it becomes 1 plus n plus 1 factorial is what? N plus 1 factorial is n plus 1 times n factorial. So result becomes n plus 1, and n plus 2 factorial is n plus 2 times n plus 1 times n factorial. So remaining is n plus 2 times n plus 1. This is the denominator. Now numerator is again same, n plus 2, and in the denominator I can write n factorial. In the bracket it is n plus 2 plus n plus 2 times n plus 1, right? Then numerator is again same, n plus 2. In the denominator n factorial, and we can take one more common, which is n plus 2. N plus 2 take common from this one and this one. So result is, if I take common n plus 2, in the bracket it becomes 1 plus n plus 1, right? And this n plus 2 is cancelled. Here the n plus 2 will get cancelled with n plus 2. So it becomes equal to 1 upon n factorial into n plus 2. N factorial into 1 plus n plus 1, which is n plus 2. This is the result. Then now in the denominator it is n factorial and n plus 2. If I multiply one term which is in between n plus 1 in the numerator and denominator both, multiply by n plus 1 in the numerator and denominator both, result is n plus 1 divided by n factorial, then n plus 1, then n plus 2. I can write n plus 2 factorial. It is n plus 1 divided by n plus 2 factorial. Can I write it is as n plus 2 minus 1 in the numerator, and denominator is n plus 2 factorial. Then we can write n plus 2 divided by n plus 2 factorial minus 1 divided by n plus 2 factorial, right? It can be written as, 1 upon n plus 1, because n plus 2 cancel out, 1 upon n plus 1 factorial minus 1 upon n plus 2 factorial, right? So we can write every term in this form. We can write each and every term in this form, and nth term can be written as 1 upon n plus 1 factorial minus 1 upon n plus 2 factorial. Means first term we can write as 1 upon 2 factorial minus 1 upon 3 factorial. Second term can be written as 1 upon 3 factorial minus 1 upon 4 factorial. Third term can be written as 1 upon 4 factorial minus 1 upon 5 factorial, and so on. And the last term can be written as 1 upon 99 factorial minus 1 upon 100 factorial. So if I look at the series clearly, we can cancel every term except the first term and last term. Every term will be cancelled out except the first term and last term, and the result would be 1 upon 2 factorial minus 1 upon 100 factorial. This is our answer. Answer is 1 upon 2 factorial minus 1 upon 100 factorial. Answer option D here. I hope it's clear. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box.